Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Creating a beautiful home garden is more than just planting flowers and greenery. It's about turning an ordinary outdoor space into a personal paradise where nature and creativity meet. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to inspiring you with unique and practical home garden decoration ideas that will help you transform your balcony, backyard, terrace, or even a small corner of your home into a refreshing and welcoming garden space. In today's fast paced world, spending time close to the nature has become essential for relaxation, peace of mind, and a healthier lifestyle. That's why our channel focuses on bringing you the best tips, tricks, and design inspirations for both large and small gardens. Whether you have a spacious lawn, a rooftop area, or just a few pots on your balcony, you will find endless ideas here to make your garden stand out beautifully. We share creative ways to arrange plants, design stylish gardens, layouts, and use decorative items to enhance the charm of your outdoor area. From dye garden crafts, vertical gardens, hanging planters, and recycled decorations to luxury patio setups, cozy sitting areas, and water features. Our videos cover a wide range of styles that suit different tastes and budgets. You will learn how to combine plants with decorative pieces like fairy lights, lanterns, outdoor furniture, wall art, fountains, and stones to create a balanced and a peaceful garden environment. Our channel also provides step-by-step guides on how to decorate for different seasons and occasions. Imagine setting up a romantic evening garden with twinkling lights, a festive backyard for family gatherings, or a relaxing morning spot filled with fresh flowers and greenery. We will show you exactly how to achieve it. Even if you are new gardening or working with limited space, our simple and affordable decoration ideas will make it easy for you to design a garden that reflects your personality and style. We also believe in sustainability and encourage eco-friendly practices in gardening. Many of our videos feature recycled and upcycled decoration ideas. By watching our videos, you will discover how a well-decorated garden can completely change the look of your home, increase its value, and provide a peaceful retreat for you and your family. So if you are passionate about home decor, nature, and creative living, this channel is for you. Subscribe now and join us on a journey of turning ordinary spaces. Thank you so much.